Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset of your Samsung Smart TV. First, if you grab your remote, if you see on the remote there's actually a little button that has a gear icon. You can press this, or you can go down to the three little dots here and select the settings. We're going to click OK on the gear. This will bring up all the settings. We'll click OK again. And in this little section here, we want to scroll down to General and Privacy, click OK, and then if we scroll to the bottom of this, you will see Factory Data Reset. Click OK on that. It'll tell you to enter your PIN. The PIN will be based off of your account, or if you don't have one, the default PIN is 0. You enter that in, click Done, and this will actually factory data reset your whole entire TV, and you should be good to go. If you thought this video is useful, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.